Yeah, you still in touch with them, but I'm planning here to go back. And after 90 days, oh my goodness. You know the timeline, now they already got married, they have kids. You know somehow it's really...
Hindi plastic? Wala bang ano lang. Gani, gani, gani ako. Ito. Ay. Hoy! Gagamitin to? Anong lalagyan ko dito? Mainit na. Okay. Lang, no worries. Okay na to? Isa ka lang ilagay mo. Minirot ko lang. Yan okay na. Yan lang dito. Kasi lalabas pa yung pan yan. Daan-daan, hindi ka naman galit. Baka mamaya, makakon ako ha. Okay. Hindi mo nakikita yung niluluto. Ikaw na lang. Nandiyan pala ako. Nahiya naman ako. Hello! Video. Ha? Ano ba yan? Video. Nag-video. Niluluto kami. Akin yan. Chicken. Chicken. Judith? Wala kasi Judith. Natulog pa si Prinsesa. Daming cake. Saan si Franz?
Nandun may interview siya.
Mayroon kaming cake. Madami kaming cake. Cake. Ano to? Orange cake. Tikman ko daw yung isa sa last doon. Ito to. Anong lasa? Hello? Lasa. Masarap mo sila. Madilim. Why are you tired? Sister Janice!
Imagine that. So, anyway, Joseph Smith prayed about this. And when he got this revelation, this is kind of the negative side. You know, if you're not mine, if you're not one, you're not mine. But there's a positive side also of it. And I want to read, it's in starting in verse 26, well 25. His positive message is something similar to what we heard this afternoon. Okay? It says, I say unto you that every man esteem his brother as himself. Okay? That's the spirit of forgiveness. Okay? About that.
Kasama kayo, combo kayo. Dito kayo doon. Itang na lang yung pwede ako stack na table.
It will be a competition between the elders or the brothers versus the sisters.
Kasama kayo,
please
combo.
hold in line for the elders or the
Video to?
brothers and sisters.
I-on mo na. Sige.
Sisters are always right. So, yeah, just hold in line po and yes.
Ano sa buhat mo na ni?
Well, President and Sister Yumul, are you here? Oh, okay. Okay. And we will have one question. You need to stand like in the same line with your husband or wife.
Ikaw na po.
Okay. Okay. We will have one question for one couple, and let's know who knows better. Okay. Can you give them the paper? You will have the paper and a paper for one. A paper and one ball pen, so you can write your answer. Have you had this game before, Elder Kristen? Happy anniversary. And give them the ball, my sister. The first. shouldn't whisper or say the answer to your couple. So first question is, what is his or her favorite food? Write it down your answer. Favorite food.
So I'm writing his favorite.
Yeah. And other person will write Sister Thurston favorite food. At first, for these couples, yeah. And we will know like who will have like the highest score.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Yeah, we will ask the. Are you done, other person? Okay, you will come back. Okay, and then you can go to the next, the last line, other sister person. And the second question for Sister Sweetie. Okay, the second question is, what is his or her favorite color? Color. The color.
Pagba na sila ni sister ug brother Edam. Next.
This is the third question. Where is his or her favorite place? His favorite place, what is her favorite place?
Kindatan lang. Dala sa kindatan. Alam yun. Alam na.
Alright, for the fourth question. When was the last time you said I love you?
Kanina umaga
When
siguro.
was the last time you said I love you?
You got the time now.
She said, like sister Natalie. And then fifth question, what he or she likes the most about you? What sisters don't like most about you? And what others don't? Just one. Yes, folks. For the sixth question, what is his or her pet peeve? Pet peeve. So something that he doesn't want or is annoyed about. Yes.
Sister Ethel.
Anything. Yes.
Now, coaching. The last one, sis.
That's a long message on the Okay, next is number 7. This question is who likes who first? Who likes who likes who likes who first? Who likes who first?
You're showing your answer.
We will ask again the question and you will say your answer. Like number 1, what is his or her favorite food other than?
What's her favorite? Well, I know that she loves to try new restaurants, but that wasn't the question. But her favorite food is Mexican.
Mexican.
Can you show your favorite? Okay. Mexican food. Is it right, sister?
Sunod.
You both want. Oh, okay. So you will both have 1 point.
Yes! Patay.
Okay. The
Ito na.
second question is, what is his or her favorite color? So, Sister Sweetie, do you know what? Red. Red, is it correct?
Mawawasak.
For the third question, where is his or her favorite place?
So this is her favorite place? The temple?
Japan?
Sister Giselle, what is his favorite place? Beautiful. Okay.
Your favorite place is Japan?
Is it right?
Thinking Japan now.
1 point for brother and 3 points for the elder. This point we need first to like say the answer of brother. So what's the answer?
This one was supposed to be. Yeah, I don't get it.
When was the last time you said I love you? She said.
Wah, tama ako this morning.
So that's 4 points to the elders and brothers and 3 points to the sisters. Now the question is, what does he or she likes the most about you? Is it right? Is that the question?
So what does he like about me?
Yeah.
Can it be like?
What do you think she likes?
What did you write down?
Why push my eyes? Yeah.
So it's 5 points to the elders and brothers. Okay, so okay, yes. Okay. Okay, they got both points. 5 points for elders and 4 points for sisters. And the next question is, what is his or her pet peeve?
Her pet peeve is technology that doesn't work.
Yeah.
Right?
I wrote down this pet peeve.
But is it
But
right?
was mine right? Bob?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so what
So I put being accused of lying.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
That's true. Very true.
Okay, the next question is, who likes who first?
Who likes you first?
Okay.
Ready?
Sister Hope liked me first.
Sister
I
Hope.
said I liked him first.
We have the president and sister. we will already know your answer, so no negotiation.
Ilan mo kami ganyan, pero baka ba?
Do you have ballpen for
Haharap
President?
ka sa piling.
Do you have ballpen for President Jimo?
Siyempre, madali na. Baka mapahiya kami.
Dali lang po siya.
Ano?
Ikaw. Ito ko na.
Okay. Where did you first meet each other? Where did you
Talagang pumunta sa salon.
Nakwento na yan. Nakwento yan ni Press Humor eh.
Oo. PLDT, o, sabi niya. PLDT.
Mother kiss!
Alam mo, mas masaya na. Ayaw niya, ayaw. Talagang konservative po si President.
Okay, who wins? Okay, the next game is after we will eat. Yeah, this one. Next game was for group of. The winner is the elders. They get a 1 million Oreo from Sister Janice.
Bigyan mo silang lahat.
Thank you, couples, for participating in our fun and we did Ate Laila. So now we will watch the video. May we call the person here?
And we will miss you. And we're so grateful that the Lord loved us so much. He allowed us to come here with you. And you just keep showing everybody 100 of the love you've shown us. Thank you for all of the kind words, all of the hugs, all of the shares. You are amazing, and we'll continue to pray for you. And as I said to your last invite, the seed, say, we love you, and we know the Lord is watching over you. Stay true. And know that you will be in our hearts forever.
How do you feel that? Well, I purposely, when I retired from work, they had a big farewell party for me and everything. People would always, in the tradition, you always went around to everybody at their desk when they were leaving to say goodbye. And I don't like goodbyes. As a matter of fact, I just left the office because I didn't want to say goodbye to people because I don't like to go there. So I'm not going to be emotional because I'm going to break down tonight and cry about this later because you guys mean so much to us. And it's like we have a new family. And we now have all of these amazing forever friends. You will be our friends and our family forever. You will always be a part of us. We will never forget.
Thank you, Elder Sister Thurston. Kanta kayo? Tayo mga may alam daw ng Gethsemane.
Kanta tayo?
Sige na. Sister Sweeney, we need your help. So we would like to thank the Lavender family in preparing the chicken macaroni salad, the vegetable salad prepared by Marigold family, the cakes was prepared by the Light